Al Makhzan Islamic School. An amazing discount for every parent who dreams of giving their child the best start in education. Enroll your child at Al Makhzan Islamic School and enjoy a special discount. A second home built with love care. Safe and secure campus with CCTV and guards. Spacious classrooms for a comfy learning space. Play area. Monthly chapters of Tarbiyah. Educational Tarbiyah activity. Good syllabus. Organizing educational and training workshops for parents. Trained and passionate teachers. Activity-based learning. Early reading, writing and problem-solving skills. Annual day celebration. Science lab room. Computer lab. Solar system. Admission are open for Montessori